Hello, I'm Mr. Mike, and today we are reading about The Easter Bunny by Deborah Underwood and Claudia Rueda. Wait, Easter cat? Oh, Cat is holding a sign in front of the word bunny. Is the story about an Easter cat? Let's go find out.
Fat Cat Books. Please subscribe and press the bell.
Look, there is a poster. It says, "Here comes the Easter Bunny." What is the Easter Bunny holding? It's a basket. And the basket is filled with eggs, chocolate eggs. Here comes Cat. I bet he will be excited to see the Easter Bunny is coming. Oh, Cat doesn't seem to like the poster. I wonder what's wrong. What's wrong, Cat? You look grumpy. The Easter Bunny? What about him? That sign has lots of hearts on it. Oh, everyone loves the Easter Bunny? Well, of course everyone loves the Easter Bunny. Why? Because he's nice. He delivers chocolate eggs to millions of kids. It's a hard job. Do you want to be loved by everyone too? Don't be jealous. Why don't you be the Easter cat? Sure, you can bring the children something nice too. What is on that sign? Ew, not hairballs. That's what cats cough up after licking themselves. That's just gross. Ew! Cat! Chocolate is a better idea. What do you think, Cat? Chocolate bunnies? Why bunnies? Cat, you've eaten the head off the chocolate bunny. You better not do that to the Easter Bunny. You also need to deliver your chocolate. The Easter Bunny hops from place to place. How will you get around? Where are you going, Cat? It looks like Cat has an idea. A motorcycle? Why do you need a motorcycle? So you can beat the Easter Bunny. I should have known. The Easter Bunny won't be as fast as Cat in a motorcycle. Clothes? No, you don't need special clothes. Cats don't wear clothes anyway. Well, the Easter Bunny does wear a very nice vest. Do you have anything like that? Wow, looking very snazzy. That is a nice blue waistcoat and top hat. Looks like you're ready to roll. Have fun. Goodbye, Cat. See you in a while. Oh, you're back already? Did you forget something? A nap? You've already taken 5 naps today. Huh? Oh, Cat is telling us how many times he has napped. How many sleeping cats are on the sign? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? You've taken 7? Then you can't possibly be tired. I'll bet the Easter Bunny really is tired. He has to deliver millions of eggs in one night. He can't take any naps. Nope, he gets no naps. Not even one little one. I told you, he has a hard job. But someone needs to deliver all those chocolate eggs. Hey, do you hear something? Is it a spring? A frog? A bouncy ball? Look! It's the Easter Bunny! What is he holding, Cat? Ah, the Easter Bunny even has a special egg for you, Cat. Don't forget to say thank you. That is a nice looking egg. Oh no, poor tired Easter Bunny. It looks like he is about to fall asleep. His ears are droopy and his eyes are tired. Wait, Cat, where are you going? What's that on the motorcycle? A sidecar? What's that for? Why are you pushing the Easter Bunny into your motorcycle? Cat, are you stealing the Easter Bunny? You're not? I wasn't saying you're a bad cat. I was just joking. Well then, what are you doing? What's on that sign? It looks like the Easter Bunny asleep in the sidecar. Oh, I see. The Easter Bunny can nap while you deliver his eggs. That's very thoughtful of you. Off Cat and the Easter Bunny go. The Easter Bunny is already taking a nap. Bye! You're back! It was really nice of you to help the Easter Bunny, Cat. I'm proud of you. Now that you and the Easter Bunny are friends, I guess you don't need to be the Easter Cat anymore, right? Hey, where are you going? Cat! What? You want to be Santa Paws? Oh, good grief.
Get your free Easter activity pack at fatcatbooks.uk.
I also have a complete comprehensive course of phonics programs. If you're left frustrated looking for a fun and engaging learn-to-read curriculum but feel overwhelmed by the choice, then look no further. My phonics programs have everything you need. I developed my phonics programs over many years of teaching, and I'm excited to bring them to you. All you need to do is follow my systematic, easy-to-follow 4-step lessons. Each lesson builds up on the previous lesson and ensures your child will commit what they've learned to memory. I've taught thousands of kids and they're all happy readers. There's no preparation needed or major lesson planning. It covers everything you need to build up blending and decoding skills. By the end of the programs, your child will be able to read up to 80% of the words they'll encounter at their age. The programs include real teacher videos hosted by me, Teacher Mike. Also original stories, 2 course books filled with colourful fun activities, which are available as printed books, but currently only for selected countries. So check it out, see if it's available where you are. It also includes a huge set of printable flashcards, over 1,300 across the programs, and a virtual teacher. The virtual teacher is a very powerful yet simple tool. Children can learn to sound out and read all the words and the stories with just a press of the button. They can even do the exercises first on the virtual teacher before doing it in the book. This makes it great for the classroom, allowing activities to be done as a group. Also, all pronunciations are provided with a video of me saying the word, which makes it much easier for non-native speakers to learn how to say the word, as they can visually see how it's formed. The virtual teacher also includes fun, colourful games to make learning super fun. It runs on PowerPoint, so no installation is required, no internet is required, you can learn anytime, anywhere. So, you don't need any experience or need to do any major preparation. You don't need to install anything or log in every time you want to use it. It's an effortless program guaranteed to get your child reading. So check it out now at fatcatbooks.uk, or if you have further questions, you can contact me with the links in the description. Goodbye, see you next time.
Yellow and blue, make it a split, split, split. Then I'll dance just like a bunny. Wiggle my nose up, so funny. Hop, 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 oops.